2017 Ford Transit with the 3.5 V6. This is the Transit 250, and we are doing an oil change. Let's get to it. All right, we come over to the computer. We can see 2017 Ford Transit 250 with the 3.5 V6 with filter. Sorry, this one with filter, which of course I always recommend. You're at 5.9 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic. For the oil change today, we're going to be using the CarQuest Romeo 84502 oil filter. All right, underneath the vehicle on the passenger side of the engine, we can see our drain plug right there. Kind of an awkward position, especially for my dog bone, but I think we'll be all right. It is a 15 millimeter. If I can get this thing on there. Come on. What is happening? All right, goes on fine that way, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and move my camera out of the way because it's right in the splash zone. While that oil is draining, we're going to come around to the driver's front of the engine, where we can locate our oil filter. Right there. There's the oil filter. Now, I might need to wait for the oil to drain a little bit, because I don't think my catch can is big enough. There we go, finally loose. And give this thing a nice spin. Let that oil start draining out. After removing your old oil filter, get your oily hand and lubricate up that new filter's O-ring, and make sure you check on the oil housing, the oil filter housing, to make sure that that old O-ring did not stay connected to the old filter when you removed it. Get that down, just put it down hand tight. That's all you gotta do. No tools, nothing crazy. With our oil finished draining, go ahead and put your oil plug back in. Put our 15 millimeter back on it. Let's give it a good whack. That's it. After everything down bottom is tightened up, go ahead and get yourself some brake clean. Spray everything down nice and clean so you know that you didn't leave a mess. So in the future, if you come back to do your next oil change or what have you, and you see oil there, you'll know, crap, I have a possible oil leak. And not just, oh, I didn't clean up my mess. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add our oil. Here's our oil cap right here. Go ahead and top it off, and when you're done, make sure you put your oil cap on nice and tight. 2017 Ford Transit 250 with the 3.5 V6. I don't know if that matters, but just telling everybody what it is. We just performed an oil change, and now we're going to be resetting the oil life. This is with a key. I don't know if some of these are push button. Go ahead and turn your vehicle to the on position. Do not start it. And press the brake and the accelerator all the way to the floor. Well, the accelerator all to the floor and the brake pedal as hard as you can. And by holding it, you'll see the service oil reset in progress has just popped up. Now it's telling me windshield washer fluid is low, so I'll fix that later. It's kind of in the way of my video though. Reset in progress. Oil reset complete. And that is how you reset your oil life on a 2017 Ford Transit 250. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will catch you next time.